thanks for coming back and checking out another one of my videos. It is still Sunday, but I've done the stock lock, so I thought I'd back on the challenge locks, and we've got this rim cylinder. It says multi-lock on the front. Been pinned by LoneWolfLockpicking on the 25th of July, and it's called Golden Boy. And there's the ice cream man. It's called Golden Boy, and it says do not turn pins 180 or they fall out. Well, I know how clumsy I am, so what I've actually done is I've put some cable ties around it just to keep it secure, so if I do make the mistake, they're not going to go tumbling off anywhere. So hopefully that'll be quite... I won't do that anyway, hopefully. But let's see how we get on with this. I know the light is very bright at the minute. I better show you the key. There's the key. And I seem to be opening up everything over the past couple of days that I lay my hands on. I'm not complaining, but it's not that often that I have this much success in the space of a few days, I must admit. This is going to need real light tension, I think. Big serrations in this lot. Big serrations and I would say threaded core. I am barely touching that tension tool. As you probably gathered, it's still sunny around here at the minute. For how much longer, we don't know. No, that's not working out very well for me. see, well, this is being a tricky little bugger. I'm not sure that's the right pick. Let me get back to. Let's get back to my one. I can be a bit more brutal with mine. Yeah, I'm gonna boss this lock now. Right, let's start again with this one. There's that one at the back, I think. Come on, you little shit. I thought that was it then. There we go, that got it. That was a proper battle at 12 minutes. A real battle. And I think I said it in the previous video, but if you've got young children now, I would suggest that you turn the volume down, send them to the shop, whatever. But as I'm gutting this lock, it will probably go X-rated. And I nearly did turn that 180 then, didn't I? That was lucky. Anyway, let's get that down there. So you can see there's the cable ties that I just put around it, because it had all holes along the bottom, and when you do turn it 180 all the pins just fall out, so I just put them around there just for a bit of safety. Let's see how we get on with this one. I think that leaves me 2 locks left from the pack that Jason sent me. So, there we go. Oh, that's not too bad so far. Don't drop it, Gordon. Don't drop it. Right, well, everything did need to be picked, and there's some serious threading, just like I expected, on the core in every. Don't fucking get that tuned in. on every single one. That's yeah, really heavy threading, and you could feel that by the way that it picked, which just goes to show that I am learning, because I'm able to read the pins, read in the lock. That's a nice one. So we've got some really lovely pins there, and what I'll do is, as usual, I'll take pictures. I will go close up at the end and I will take pictures, but there's some lovely pins there. Serrations, spools, tees, all sorts. Tweezers. You can see there's threading in there as well. The spring's not coming out because of the threading. That pin's not even coming back up, I don't think. Has that got a pin? That pin's not springing down. This threading is so... Oh, there we go. The threading is so heavy that the pin was just getting caught in the getting caught in that. I'm not sure. We'll take some good quality pictures later. I know the light here is terrible at the minute. I'm not going to try and get the I'm not going to try and get the springs out, but I can see that there's threading in every single one. Not sure if we're going to get that very well. Yeah, you can see that now. Yeah, you can get that. You can see that really well. So here we go. So I'll put that one there. And again, you can see there's really deep threading in the core as well. I can't get that to zoom in very well. Now let's have a look at these pins. And I know the light is terrible. I am sorry about that. You can see there though, we've got some heavily serrated pins there. We've got a T-pin driver, T-pin key pin. It's a T. Serrations there. On this one again, we've got some deep serrations, spaced quite far apart, and then we've got this one which has got tiny serrations and a little spool. Another serration, more spool. We've got this lovely looking pin here, and this looks like something that I've made. It's got a spool with like a shaped end with serrations on there, and we've got again a heavily serrated other pin, driver pin, and then we've got this one that looks a bit like a chess piece. You can see it's got a little T on it, which is going to get hooked up and caught up, and then the key pin there is really again heavily serrated. And the final pin, again you can see more serrations, more evilness, but great workmanship on those pins and that lock. Really good pick that was, and you can see that gave me a challenge because it took me quite some time to get it open. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you again with another video soon.